On the 4th of August 1789, the National Constituent Assembly of France voted to abolish the feudal system. Welcome to HistoryPod. The decision to end the privileges enjoyed by the nobility and clergy came in the early stages of the French Revolution during a special session of the Assembly. Reports of peasants in the countryside attacking manor houses and destroying documents that recorded feudal dues had reached Paris. Known as the Great Fear, this revolt alarmed both reformers and conservatives, prompting some to propose pre-emptive reforms to quell the disorder. In a dramatic session, members of the nobility and clergy began voluntarily renouncing their feudal rights, privileges and titles. These included the abolition of tithes, seigneurial dues, hunting rights and other local monopolies. But what began as a symbolic gesture soon turned into concrete legislative action. By the end of the session, the Assembly had declared an end to feudalism and privileges based on birth, effectively dismantling the traditional three-estate Ancien Regime. The decisions made on the 4th of August were formally written into law on the 11th of August in 1789. This decree announced the end of feudal rights and removed various obligations that peasants owed to their landlords. However, in practice, some of the changes were implemented gradually and met resistance in certain regions. Compensation for former lords was also a matter of dispute, and some feudal dues continued to be collected for a time. Nevertheless, the abolition of feudalism and the subsequent declaration of the rights of man and of the citizen represented a radical transformation of French society, replacing a hierarchy based on privilege with a system based on legal equality.